The "wow" signal, 1977. Perhaps the most iconic unexplained signal, the "wow" signal was detected by the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio. Lasting 72 seconds, it was an unusually strong narrowband radio signal coming from the constellation Sagittarius. Jerry Ehman, the astronomer who spotted it, famously wrote, "Wow," next to the printout. Despite many follow-up attempts, the signal was never detected again, leaving it one of the most tantalizing clues in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence.